Hello, dears. Welcome to all of you in your sixth semester. I am Surendra Kumar Yadav, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this semester, I will teach you Quality Management subject. The code of this subject is 6ME4-05. So, the syllabus of this subject is classified into 6 segments. In first segment, we will discuss about the objective, scopes and outcomes of the quality management subject. In second segment, we will discuss about the meaning of quality and quality improvement dimensions of quality, and the philosophies of quality and the different procedure for maintaining quality, the quality policies, objectives and economics of quality. And the second part is modeling process quality, means different process are used for calculating the qualities such as different charts, histograms, cause and effect charts, etc. In third segments, we will discuss about the statistical quality control and the control charts for variables such as X bar charts, R bar charts, S charts and applications of variable control charts. In four segments, we will discuss about the control chart for attributes, control chart for fraction, non-conforming, P chart, NP chart, C chart and U chart. And in segment number 6, we will discuss about the quality assurance and acceptance sampling. And we will discuss also about the ISO 9000, ISO 14000. And in last segment, we will discuss about the reliability and life testing. So we start our first segment, means unit number first. So this is our first lecture of unit number first. So in this lecture we will discuss about quality management system. So first of all, we will discuss about what is the quality management system. The quality management system is a shaped system that documents procedures, processes and responsibilities for achieving quality policies with a purpose to meet customer requirements and enhance their satisfaction. The quality management system helps companies to direct, coordinate and regulate their activities in improving business effectiveness and efficiency and meeting customer requirements. Means the quality management system is a medium or a mediator between the customer requirements and the customer satisfaction. Now, the functions of the quality management system. Following are the functions of the quality management system, such as the quality management system improve the business processes. Next, defining and controlling the production process, decreasing waste and reducing cost. With the help of quality management system, the waste are reduced, so the cost of production is also reduced. Next function is controlling the products identification, their design and the quality. Next is controlling non-conforming products, instituting corrective action in the case of error, controlling the packaging and labeling, validating business processes and product acceptance, engaging the company's staff in the business activities, identifying and facilitating personal training opportunities, and controlling purchasing, documentation and record and any other. Thus, we can say that the quality management system affects every aspect of the company's performance. Means the company performance depends upon the quality. If customer demand your product and if he is satisfied, then you can survive in the market. Meeting customer requirements helps organization to gain the confidence of their clients. Moreover, allows companies to get more customer, make more repeat bargains and have more sales. Meeting requirement of organization that ensure products and services quality and their compliance with the resources and cost allow companies to increase their profit and create a field for their expansion and growth. So we can say, हम कह सकते हैं कि with the help of a good quality management, the companies can increase their profit and create a field for their expansion and growth. The benefits of the quality management system. These are the benefits of the quality management system. First is reaching customer satisfaction. Next is increasing reputation. If you give good quality, then your reputation is also increased. Achieving the project success. Implementing the best practices, improving business processes, increasing production, yeah, reducing rework. Reducing rework means if you produce product with your good quality, then recycling reduce means the time saving increase your productivity and decrease the product cost. Improving internal communications between departments and teams, making evidence based decisions, employee engagement, increasing productivity, and continual improvement. So, finally, this is the diagram which clear the quality management system. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि quality management system, if any organization working with a quality management system या any company working with quality management system, so the benefits will be enhanced productivity, customer satisfaction, increase reputation, project success, the best practices, reduced work, evidence based decision, या increase productivity. Okay, thank you.